to Chem Classroom with Aunty Taiwo. If you have not subscribed, kindly do so. Then click on the notification button so that you can get notified whenever we put up our videos. So in our past videos, we started mass volume relationship, which is stoichiometry, and we have been able to solve some questions using the formula method in relationship with mass, volume, mole, and all that. Then we also did mass to mass relationship. So today we'll be doing mass to volume relationship, and our volume is at STP, which is the standard temperature and pressure. Then we have what we call the molar volume, which is 22.4 dm cube, is a constant value that we will be using to solve today's question. So let's move to the board. Okay, I have calculate the volume of carbon dioxide gas at STP when 5 grams of zinc triacarbonate 4 is heated strongly. So definitely this is a kind of decomposition reaction whereby you have the zinc carbonate decomposing to form your zinc oxide and your CO2, okay, gas. Okay, you must be able to balance a simple chemical equation before you can actually attempt this type of question. All right, so let's go back to our question. So it said calculate the volume of CO2. So here we have CO2 relating to volume at STP. Then when 5 grams, okay, 5 grams of the zinc carbonate, okay, so that means the relationship here is just between your zinc carbonate and CO2. We don't have business with the zinc oxide. Yes, so the first thing I'm going to do is to calculate the mass of the zinc carbonate, which is, okay, I'll have the molar mass of the zinc carbonate. My zinc is 65, plus my carbon is 12, plus oxygen is 16 times 3. So in all, I'm expected to have 125 grams. Yes. So now I'm going to say 125 grams of zinc carbonate produced. Now, this one is being related to volume at STP, and the volume at STP is what? 22.4 dm cube of CO2. Now, if you have any coefficient at the back, you multiply it, but we don't have any. So that is why we're using the 22.4 directly. So I will now say 5 grams of zinc carbonate produced X. So I'm going to have X equals to, then I'm going to cross multiply, of course, 5 times 22.4 dm cube divided by 125 grams. So in all, I'm expected to have 0.896 dm cube of CO2 at STP. Yeah, so we have been able to solve our question. So when next we meet, of course, we'll be going to mass to mole or mole to volume. We are definitely going to finish everything under mass volume relationship, everything under stoichiometry. All right, so please, when next we meet, but please, I will encourage you to solve more examples. You know, if I give 1 or 2 examples, I expect you to go back and solve like 5 examples so that you can get used to the technique being used to solve these questions. All right, have a great day. Thank you.